At Pinkston Law Group, we understand that matters of family law are often deeply personal and can significantly impact your life and the lives of your loved ones. Our dedicated team is committed to providing compassionate and skilled legal guidance to navigate these complex and sensitive issues. What is family law? Family law is a legal practice area that focuses on issues involving family relationships. This series will focus on key areas of family law, like number 1, marriage and domestic partnerships. This deals with the legal considerations, including prenuptial agreements and the legal implications of marriage and domestic partnerships. Number 2, divorce and annulment. This involves guiding clients through the process of divorce or annulment and addressing matters such as division of property, maintenance, and other related issues. Number 3, child custody and support. This focuses on the well-being of children, including the allocation of parental responsibilities or custody arrangements, parenting time or visitation rights, and child support. Number 4, paternity and parental rights. This pertains to establishing paternity and understanding the legal implications, rights, and obligations. Number 5, protection orders and domestic violence. This deals with assisting in obtaining protective orders and addressing legal issues related to domestic violence. Our approach is client-centered and holistic, understanding that each family situation is unique. We offer tailored advice and representation designed to protect your interests and those of your family. Our team is skilled in negotiation, mediation, and when necessary, litigation to ensure the best possible outcome for our clients. We invite you to watch the entire series and to schedule a consultation to discuss your specific family law needs. At Pinkston Law Group, we are here to support and guide you through every step of the legal process with empathy and a commitment to achieving the best possible results for you and your family.